We were probably flying into Hawaii.
Can't tell if it's...
That's probably Pearl Harbor.
Is it set up on your thing?
Yeah, it's quite a bit smaller.
Yeah.
It's Grandma, and Betty's pregnant, and there's Kelly.
Should probably zoom in. We should probably stop it and rewind it. You should turn on the light, or can you zoom in?
There, that's good. Oh, shoot. There.
So should we rewind it? And here, I'll just rewind it.
That looks good.
Alright. Grandma looks exactly the same. Oh, is that Kelly?
She was about 60 there. Yeah, that's Kelly.
Pearl Harbor.
Yeah.
So did you shoot all these?
I may have. I don't know who would have been else unless Tom might have taken some of them.
I wonder if they're more focused if it's closer, you know what I mean? Like if the screen is closer?
I don't think so.
That Kelly?
Mm-hmm.
She looks like Tom there.
Grandma?
Yeah. No.
That's how the clouds are over there. They're just really low. I don't remember that dress.
That Tom?
Yeah.
The wind.
That's Kathy and her cast. Cast was up to here.
The whole time?
3 years.
3 years?
3 years.
Jeez.
And they had her like doing the splits.
You didn't knock the tripod, did you?
No. I got
You should be
this.
able to see. You can tilt that down, you know.
It's perfect.
I know, but I'm just saying you can tilt this viewfinder
this?
down so you can see it when you're sitting down.
Oh, that's good.